What is the best gift that you can give to Mother Earth and why?
The best gift that I can give to our Mother Earth is that we have to maintain cleanliness, and that starts from our home. And to make others aware that our Mother Earth has given so much to us, and we must repay her back by nurturing her with the abilities to take care of her and by planting more trees.
What is the best gift that you can give to Mother Earth and why? Exactly what you have written.
Good evening once again. Reduce, reuse, recycle, volunteer myself for the clean-up of the community, to stop deforestation, conserve water, use less plastic bags and more reusable bags, plant more trees and keep our surroundings neat and tidy to save our planet Earth so we can live a healthy and beautiful life. These are the gifts I would give to the Mother Earth. Thank you.
I think the best gift for the mother to keep a healthy and safety environment and keep our environment as safe as possible and maintain with cleanliness, respect our mother nature. Thank you.
Can we get Kebreshi Bonsa? Bongrong.
Pasini way mo. Pasini 1 2. Last one 1 2. Pasini mo. Pasini. 1, 2, 3 more.
Ikan teh I Balawan kekerdan kaba
Last ni ko.
Ingti.
Pas ni mo. 1, 2, 3 more. Okay.
Hey, happy welcome, happy welcome, cheerful welcome, brave welcome, joyous welcome, gracious welcome, lovely welcome, warm welcome. May God bless you, may He always guide you, may He hold you true, may your wishes all come true. May God bless you, may He always guide you, may He hold you true, may your wishes all come true. We are glad you are here, we are glad you have come, we are glad you are here, we are glad you have come. 1, 2, 3, let's give a cheer. Ri-Bhoi tourism, hey, happy welcome, cheerful welcome, brave welcome. Tourist adventure squads in Ri-Bhoi District to take up the matter pertaining to change in tourism development in all sectors, to take up matters for the protection and conservation of flora and fauna and sustainability of the environment and other natural sources, to inculcate to the people the general ways and means for conservation and protection of the environment, to undertake the tourism and environment development.
La kalong kakajin ha lani teng teng bun kijing kum kibriu ni mat kajiya yanti kirai dam ni ha ban mat kijing habiniyat henry ke ga bakulong kani kasni ka bajok ni kijing ya kali ka jongpi kajing yo ijna ka jongpi kum ka forum abang kidan ka benta ka bakraw ban penwan dur pensandur ya kini ke baro kasinjam organize iki program bakher la kalong bagi ai ka platform iki kun samlan iki jongi kabayada ya ka may mariam ki awareness program ni tepu bigilayo ten ya kata festival lo Niangtaser bani baro bilayo ya shimbenta banyo kadi ka program ka bajak
ya ki Ruglom Trekam, Wanphrang, Eki tourism, Wanphrang, Balane Wanpensa Pene, Yaka May Marian, Kabaye Kajungi Joganika Tan Ri-Bhoi.
Beliau di Banabar, kita pembedaan kalau motor sepak lah. Hakikam, hakikam turis, hakikam pantai kita dijaga, go ai dan dijaga di hotel. Ri-Bhoi bagi nak kawai, motor sepak kita kian. Kadi kasam kadong demi, kami tak motor sepak, hakikam kita cinta cendini. Terus baru kemana pun dijaga dan go ai di hotel.